haven't been posting videos for like
a long time.
Yeah, a long time. So we thought, why not do a challenge? And I'm already scared.
You should be. Challenge.
What is it? Challenge. And if you don't know that, it's where where one person is going to be blindfolded, and if I'm blindfolded, I have to guess what I'm touching.
Get in your hand.
Okay, I'm already scared. I'm scared as fuck. Oh my god. This is like repressed childhood memories. I have tried this before.
Come with your hand.
I don't want to touch it! No, no. It's cold as What is it? Oh my god! What is it? What is it? What is it?
Give me a towel or something. It's dripping on my.
Fuck. Okay. Can I taste?
Yeah.
Oh! It's a lemon! Oh god! It's a fucking lemon! Your turn, bitch. Was that the bad thing or the very bad thing?
Just the bad thing.
Oh shit. Down, bitch.
What is
It's disgusting. Fuck, I dropped it on the floor. Okay, come again.
No. It's smelling. It smells. It smells. No, no.
It's it's not cum.
Nutella?
No.
See? No. What? Taste it. Honey?
Yeah. I'm going to die. I think it's going to be a painful death. Oh my god, I'm getting tied up. I can see through this. I'm a ninja. Are you fapping?
No. I'm just going to watch what this is.
It smells!
Come here.
What is this? Oh my god! What is it? It smells, it's dripping from my pants. Oh god! Oh, what is this? Give me a towel! I can't feel this! Okay. Can I just, like... Is this babies?
Seriously.
Is it a fish? Oh, I hate this! Put it back. I don't want it. Help. Are you ready?
No, I'm not an idiot. It actually hurt a lot. What?
I wouldn't taste it. Don't taste it.
It's no!
You know what it's for?
Your ass?
You just touched my ass. And probably my dad.
So Emma, I heard.
Touch your ass, bitch! Oh, Emma, I heard you like butts. Especially.
No.
No.
No. Out with the hands.
Why so cold? Stop dropping. Is that it? Is that it? Is this because I smell like fish?
Maybe.
this a soap?
Covered in soap. No, show me couch.
Can I have the towel, please?
This is really romantic.
And I
We always
smell like fish. Come with your hands. Stop.
I don't have any hands.
No. Stop, you have tortured me.
What happened?
I don't know. This is quite disgusting. Come with your hand, Emma. Come here.
Lidt højere. What? 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 What?
It's alive!
Taste it.
No! It's eatable.
You can taste it!
You gotta guess.
Is it a fish?
No.
It's not a fish.
Yes.
Is what? Is it an animal?
No.
It's not an animal.
It isn't.
It's not coming from a fucking animal.
Nope.
Don't have anything to do with an animal. Not like an animal ass, like a chicken ass.
No.
It's coming from an animal.
It isn't an animal or coming from an animal.
Ugh, it's not coming out of an animal ass.
No.
Oh.
Go away. It's a vegetable.
Okay. So, and tomato.
Yeah. Half tomato. It looks really disgusting. It looks like poo. Okay, so this was a challenge.
Ugh. A disgusting challenge. I'm never going to try it.
A part of me is slightly dead. Just a little part. The part that's called trust. Like and subscribe. Fuck. Like and subscribe this video to be cool and get a free llama.
Yeah. We can totally find a free llama. Or just a sip.
And send
Llamas.
Have a nice day and stay tuned. Bye.